example here. Okay. If now you understand, right, how this slicing works? Whatever the
Mm.
list of elements you want to pick from the uh, whatever the list of elements you have, you only want to slice that what required elements you want it from it, A, B, C, D
Mm.
only. So you can get
Mm.
it using the slicing technique.
Mm.
That's what a slicing. The name itself slicing.
Mm.
Till this point, and this whatever the set we are talking, it does not support both indexing or slicing.
Mm.
Remember that thing. What is set?
Okay.
It is an unordered collection of
Collection of
elements,
unique elements.
and it stores the unique elements in it.
Mm.
So this list also, when it stores the unique element, it is removing the duplicates automatically, right?
Mm.
And this list, set is removing the duplicate elements. And
Mm.
also this set is a mutable thing. If you want to
Mm.
add or modify it, you can do it easily. And
Mm.
one more foremost important thing, it does not support both indexing and the slicing.
Indexing of pricing. Mm.
Yes, remember that thing.
Mm.
Now we have a syntax. How a variable can be created? We discussed, right? For example, in the A element, whatever the elements you want to store, you can store it in this format.
Mm.
And this you can see, right? These are unique values. This is value 1, this is value 2, value 3.
Mm.
I want to store value 1 in the set. Is it possible?
Yes.
How? I have value 1, right?
Oh, sorry. It doesn't support in. Oh no,
Can
we
I
can
store
add that.
value 4?
Yes,
Why?
because it's mutable.
It's mutable. Okay, good. And also, it supports the unique elements.
Mm.
Okay, good. Now I have fruits. In these fruits, these are unique elements, right? Apple is a
Mm.
unique thing, banana is a unique thing, orange is a unique thing. These are not same.
Mm.
If I
Mm.
want to store this apple, can I store it?
Yes,
Why so?
because it is also a unique thing.
Why it is unique? Here already I have apple, right? How it's so unique?
It's this first apple is starting with capital A, but this starts with small
Yes,
a.
the Python is a case sensitive. Whatever the element you started with is a capital A. The whatever
Mm.
the element I want to store is a small a. So
Small a.
obviously I can store it.
Mm.
Okay, good. Explain me this. You already know whatever you want to know, you have to know. So explain me this.
So we gave this a set of fruits
So you are
by
creating a set of
mm,
fruits. In a variable,
mm,
you are storing a set of
set
fruit
of fruits.
variables. Yes.
When we print fruits, we get the fruits that are there in the set. Apple,
How is
banana,
the
and orange.
elements are printing? Is it ordered?
No, unordered.
Should I will print it again? What happened?
It changed the order again.
It's not changing now, right? What is happening? You are correct only.
Yeah.
So sometimes it changes, sometimes it's not. But this order is not a constant.
Okay.
Okay. Should I
And
print it
next
again?
is the type of fruits. We get class set.
Okay. Now you know how to print the set type of the variable fruit is holding, right?
Yes.
Yes. If I change into list, what happens? This is how list is written, right? This is also list, I think.
Mm.
What what type will it print?
Um, List.
List, right?
Mm.
For example, I will change into a set again. What happens?
Mm. Set.
Yes. So whatever the list elements are ordered. So
Mm.
if I store this element apple, banana, orange, in that way only the output will be executed.
Mm.
Whatever the order I stored, in that order the elements will be printed. But in the
Mm.
set, the order of this element might change, might
Mm.
not. It will change compulsory,
Mm.
right? Or might not the change order. And
Mm.
the data type also we can know using the print of type of fruits.
Mm.
The next one is a membership test. What is that? What is happening inside it?
Okay, so if we print the fruit, whichever it is there in the set, we are getting true. If the fruit is not there in the set, we get false.
Very good, very good. So I want to try. We learned, right, different characters of the uh, what is this set?
Mm.
What are the characters of it? We learned it is an unordered thing. We already see.
Mm.
It doesn't allows the duplicates, right? I want to check
Yes.
it now. Tell me what should I write? Anything. Should I print the number, store the numbers?
Mm.
Tell me some numbers.
1, 3, 5, 7.
Okay, 1, 3, 5,
7, 11.
7, 11.
Yep.
Okay, fine. Then I want to print these numbers.
Mm.
What is happening?
We forgot comma
Where did I forgot comma?
after 3.
Okay. But still it printing the same elements. I want to know the duplicate, right? I will add 7
Mm.
and 5 and 3.
Mm.
Now you got it?
Mm.
So it doesn't allows the duplicates in it also. Oh, yes. Okay. So it didn't say any element, right? What is happening here?
Name A is not defined
Why so? I did some
because
mistake here. What is that? Find the difference. See the upper, whatever the set you created, whatever the do values I created, I did some mistake. Find it. Now tell me the 7 data type.
in integer
In what is the A?
string.
So how I wrote it?
Okay. We just wrote the letter. We need to give string. Okay.
Yes. Now you got it.
Mm.
Never forget it.
Okay. Mm.
Now what happened?
We got letter string also. A.
Okay, if I want to use this 1.0, you got it right?
Mm.
What is happening? I have 7, 7.0.
Mm.
Still it's
They both
saying yes.
is it's same, so we just got 7.
Okay. Look into this example once. Whether it is correct or not, tomorrow same. I will ask about it. Okay.
Mm.
And there is a one more thing. We learned about the set. What is set?
Mm. Unordered collection of unique elements.
Okay. And also it doesn't allow the duplicate value. What is the other thing we learned?
Uh, it stores unique values.
Okay. Next.
It won't it won't be in any particular order.
Okay. And
It
also,
is mutable,
yes, it
and also it doesn't support indexing and slicing.
is mutable, right? If I want to add some elements, I can do it, right?
Yes.
Let's try some elements. I want to add some element. For example, I want to add a list of students
Mm.
or adding elements, right? Add elements.
Mm.
Tell me some example.
Numbers only again.
Okay, numbers.
7, 6,
I want to give 7, 6,
5, 3,
5, 3,
11. Yeah,
11.
that's it. Mm.
So I
So,
want to add the new number.
mm,
I can add it, right?
yes,
How to add that?
square brackets, we need to give 5.
Square.
Uh, oh, we do not add it like indexing.
No, no, no. That's a list thing.
So here we directly add
We use
num.
this string function, we call it as. If you want
Oh,
to add something or if you want to do something, we use this add function.
mm,
If you want to remove it in the string,
mm,
in the list, in the set. In the set, we use this remove function, we use this add function.
okay,
So this is a set thing. Or else we call it as a methods of set.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
These are methods of set. Using it, we can add it or we can remove it. Got it?
Mm.
Why we can add it?
Because it's mutable.
Yes, it is a mutable thing. So in the set, we already know it allows this function called add and remove. So we will
Mm,
apply that. Tell
mm.
me a new number.
13. Okay.
Hmm.
6,
Okay,
13.
30.
Mm.
30.
Yeah.
What I have to do? Print it, right?
Print. Mm.
Now you can
Okay.
see what is
Mm,
happening. Whatever the elements I have given, it is
mm,
printing in an unordered way. But
mm.
whatever the element I'm adding, it is adding at the very end.
Mm.
Remember that. Now,
Okay.
if I want to add the multiple numbers, is it possible? It is a single
Yes.
number. Single element, right?
Mm, mm.
Num. If I want to add it, what should I use?
Add.
Add. Add method. Okay. If I want to add, tell me some elements.
Uh,
Very well.
letters also.
Yes. What is the number?
N- number.
Yes. Okay. You want to
15.
add, if you want to add some other thing, some other data type.
A string.
Okay. You want to add string. What string you want to add?
Letters like G, F.
Okay. Let me write it. G, F.
Uh,
That's it?
15 number.
Okay, 15 number.
Mm.
I want to see whether it works. What is happening?
Set add takes exactly one argument, 3 given. Okay, so it only takes single elements.
So I will add this.
Mm.
Now you got it.
Mm.
If I give 60, 56,
Mm.
what happened?
Same. It only takes one. We have given 2.
Okay.
So this is same with when we use the remove also.
We will try that one also.
Okay.
Tell me something you want to create.
Same set. 7, 6, 5, 3, 11.
Let's take some other thing.
Okay.
Students.
Mm.
I want to give Diana, Philip, Luke. I have these elements.
Mm.
Yes. I want to remove Philip.
Mm.
What should I do?
Student
Okay, students.
dot remove.
I will use this set remove
Mm.
method.
Uh,
Yes.
remove Philip
How to write Philip? Within
in
the
string.
string. Okay.
Mm.
Philip. I will print this students. What happened?
Diana Luke. Yeah.
I want
Philip
to
is
remove
one.
this Luke also. I only want Diana. What is happening?
Oh. So it only takes one at a time.
Yes. Let me add it for your reference.
Mm.
Now you got it? How it works?
Mm. Yes.
Okay. You already know how this membership works.
Mm.
To check whether the fruit present in the given fruit set or not, we can check it
Mm.
easily.
Mm.
So this is how the set thing works.